Hey everyone, if you're trying to create a video in InVideo and keep getting a video generation failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common InVideo video generation failed problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try generating the video again. Temporary platform glitches can sometimes interrupt AI processing and cause generation requests to fail. Next, check your internet connection. Since InVideo relies heavily on cloud-based AI processing, a weak or unstable connection can prevent the generation request from completing successfully. Another common fix is simplifying your prompt. If your request is extremely long, contains too many instructions, or includes conflicting requirements, try shortening it and focusing on the most important details. You should also verify that your account still has access to AI video generation features. Some plans may include usage limits, credit restrictions, or feature limitations that can affect generation requests. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can create compatibility issues that interfere with AI-powered tools, and that's how to fix InVideo video generation failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, simplifying prompts, updating your browser, and disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.